we're gonna be unboxing the
Mental math games by Beans.
and we're gonna do subtraction.
Like a calculator.
Yeah, it looks like a calculator.
Toy.
So I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
I'll get it out.
Alright.
So here's the instructions.
So it comes with
2 instructions, and you could also keep the box so this thing wouldn't get lost. And here's the important
display, game mode.
easy way. Just get it from the screen and we look.
Alright, so show it, Naomi.
Turn it on.
And you gotta show it this way so they can see it. So it has a really it's made really well. This is like a soft silicone.
Yeah.
Like a bunny. Alright, turn on Yumi.
I'll turn it on.
So the turn button is in the back. Let me see.
And there's a timer
Okay,
if you
timer,
want.
and then there's a turn button. Okay.
So
This is the functions. We have the
subtraction.
so these are the what do you call that?
And you press this when you're done with when you.
So the answer is 10 if you don't know the answer. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. Let's start from let's close it, turn it off.
No, Mom, you just press the OK button.
Okay, let's start it first. So, like, if your answer is 9, just press it 9, and then OK. Bingo. So it says you're correct. So 4 plus 2, name. What's 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2.
So if you pressed OK and your answer is wrong, what does it say? See, it says hick. Alright, so there's like if you want to do multiplication.
Oh, I don't
and
know
then
what multiplication.
there's division, and then there's addition.
A 1.
Okay. So addition with what? Within 20.
I'll tell you. Addition within 20. This is it.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Addition within 20. How about the next one? 2-digit addition.
3-digit addition.
And then where's the subtraction? Multiplication. Division. And then you can change. What is this?
Addition formula.
Addition.
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Alright, where's the subtraction?
I'll tell you what's this.
Remember numbers. Level 1.
Oh,
I'll
this
show
levels.
you what's this.
Level 1.
So this one is,
Level 1.
It's
oh,
the
there's
same.
levels.
Stage 2.
And then stage 1, stage 2, and then this one is games.
And I don't know what's this thing, so I'll.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start from the game.
5 numbers. Level 1.
So there's
Please
levels.
point out the largest number.
Biggest. I think I know this.
What's the biggest number? 9.
Amazing.
Amazing. So you did it. Oh, it's like a
Point out
game.
the largest number.
7.
Bingo.
Okay, let's do the next one. The
Stage 1.
stage 1.
Level 1.
So this is like from easy to difficult.
Can you just
3 plus 6 equals 9. So let's try that.
Mom, can you give me the water? I can't reach it.
Great.
So what is this button? Just a replay button, and then
Addition, subtraction, formula.
subtraction.
Yes.
1 equals
Can you give me
0.
the water?
Minus 1.
Okay, so this one is just the facts. That's teaching you how to.
Minus
What
1
facts?
equals 2. 5 minus addition within 20. Subtraction within
Oh, there you go. A subtraction. You just have to long press it.
2-digit addition. 2-digit subtraction.
Just long press it.
3-digit addition.
So this is a really cool toy for kids, like especially when you're traveling. So, do you love this, Naomi?
Yes, my sister was letting me a letter to me. Ooh, that's cool. I think it's gonna give us a time.
All right. So this is a really cool toy, and my kids love it. So
Look.
there's a timer as well. What's the timer for,
But our
Naomi?
dad doesn't like to hear that. in
Oh,
the
so
car.
it's gonna give you 5 seconds to answer.
Hey, you didn't.
Ah, that's cool. To 87, and it tells you the answer. This is pretty very educational toy. So
10 seconds.
Thanks for watching our video.
please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel. Well,
Bye.
Bye.
I'll put it back to the box. That means where's the box?
The box? Oh, it's right on the floor. Where's